Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Maulidi Amalina Rizky. In this time, I will present my research by the title The Advantage of Online Transportation Service in Academic System. And the first time I will explain you what is to be my background for this research. In the first modern society, today prefer to consume more service than to consume product. They don't use online transport even though the value of this use can affect their economic level. In other words, if they don't use online transportation service, they cannot be said to be modern people or called millennial. If every need, if every need can be met with online service, this opportunity These opportunities are what make online service business present online-based service, from transportation service to service fulfilling daily needs. Ordering took easy application make online service accept quickly among the public, as well as wide selection of service provided so as to meet the needs of community in the service sector. Student activity in general also inseparable from other supporting interests, such as food preparation, taking care of clothes, health, other social culture. Likewise, lecture activity full of discipline that require students to be present on time will be directly related to the use of transportation, especially online service transportation. We get various positive and negative things relate to online transportation. A cultural reality, the writer finds the phenomena or reality of online transportation service that are currently being used. In the case, the present of online transportation service has received special attention and has become trend among young people, especially students of University Muhammadiyah Gresik, where online transportation services are feel to be very helpful in easing their daily activity based on phenomena of the large number and online transportation service used among young people, especially students, in encourage the author to do research on this interesting and motivation student uh, who prefer to use online transportation service rather than public transportation. And the next, the methods in my research, I using qualitative research, and I use method for taking data only using in-depth interview to student of Muhammadiyah Gresik among more than 10 people or 10 students to be my informant, and especially this informant study in management department. The result of my research, I have 5-point result, and I will explain you one by one. The first is the effective of academic activity. And I will describe what is the meaning and the effective of academic activity. In online transportation service are very useful for students. There are several online transportation services that can be used by Indonesians. But there are two transportation service applications that are often used by the community, especially for adolescents who are students. Almost all informants state that they were helped by existence of online transportation service because remembering the early hours of lecture made them prefer online transportation service to public transportation. And then the student, uh, most of them choose online transportation service to activity for academic in university. Second, I have the second point is academic support. Academic support, the student helpfully for supporting that they academic to buying book, to getting book in other city, because in Gresik city is only no, only two bookstore, the and then most of student they looking for the book to other city, and then the student always and differently needs book and their academic support. The third time, sorry, the third point is time efficiency. Okay, time efficiency. Uh, the time need in online transportation is very minimal and very little because there are so many online transportation drivers that we can call through this application. This can save us a time for transportation when compared to public transportation, which has to wait in front of the house or even have to lead the way to get public transportation. It is certain that online transportation has more positive value because with online transportation, it's enough to wait in front of the house, and so they themselves will come to pick up the customer. And this online transportation make customer like having private vehicles that is ready to take and pick pick up us whenever we need. Uh, the fourth the fourth point is cost efficiency. Uh, Most of informants say they like to use online transportation because there are many promos offers by cutting cost just to customer. For students, things that are economical and in nature will definitely be excellent are of interest to students, especially young people. The great needs of students require them to save their money. One of which is to look for as many promos as possible. They are even willing to bother to fulfill certain condition in order to get the discount offered. The in fifth point, I have easy to access because uh, easy to access is one of the priority desired by customer, considering that today society always wants the fast, easiest, and cheapest. Uh, the in this time, today society in millennial society, who wants many things that that are instant and fast. They do not want difficult thing. Online transportation service are available uh, in various place. Even though in village you can use online transportation service too, even though in the past online transportation service were not in demand by many people. Uh, Most of them said in village too, uh, most of people using online service transportation because they feel online service transportation give them easy to access. The conclusion from this research, I have to the conclusion. In the one, uh, online transportation service are very useful and also useful for core activities and student academic support. Uh, Two, online transportation service provide efficiency and effectiveness in terms of cost, time, and also access. And I have uh, some recommendation for the next researcher. The first is further researchers can use qualitative methods with other approaches, such as comparative studies or literature studies, because in this research, I use only case studies. Second, the limitation of the researchers who use management students as informants can be developed by using all students or all young people in Gresik area or on regional scale. Because with qualitative method we can taking a data more than we using uh, questionnaire. Okay, maybe this is my present for my research, and I will close this event. Thanks for all your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.